It's Friday, and when it's Friday, or any other day of the week, it's time for Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one from zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider to get yourself a snazzy discount. Kitty, 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 kitty. Yeah. So this is a Tonkotsu flavor variety. It says it's Kawaii noodle. Yeah. And what's kind of neat on this one, here's the lid, but on the other side, I'm gonna try to get this so maybe you can use it. About that. Anyways, this QR code, it has a program you can watch, like a YouTube video. Yeah. Up. Try that. That's about as good as I can do, folks. Hopefully that worked for you if you're really into doing that. But there's a program you can see. Turn you down a little bit. So I'm stoked. It's Friday. I'm ready to be like doing weekendy junk. I think. There we go. Yeah, so we had our first parent-teacher conference yesterday. Oh, I turned it on. Good. And Miles is doing about as expected, which is good. He's very kind and polite. Knows the rules. That's good. So yeah, he's in a special class. He's on the spectrum. And really nice teacher. It's funny though, she's gonna be gone for a while because she's going to have a child of her own, and then my daughter's teacher is going to be going. I guess she's going to Guam. Thinking like, huh. But we'll have a parent-teacher conference on Monday for her. So yeah. It's crazy because there's like all this stuff, like they have enough teachers, they don't have enough teachers, there's just constant crazy business when it comes to school, but they'll figure it out. They better. Okay, I am beat, and I went out this morning, I walked a couple miles, and as soon as Miles goes to school, I'm gonna get out the stroller, throw in some lunchy snacks for her and some water to drink, and then we're gonna take off. And probably about 30 to 45 minutes before we get home, he'll be getting home from school. But in all today, I should end up with about 15 miles walking. I did that yesterday. I'm beat. I was only doing like 10 to 15,000 steps a day, and I was just like, I'm done. I'm gonna get back on the crazy business. And starting Monday, I did 22, 24, 26, and 31,000 steps yesterday. So it's fun. It's nice. It is nice. And they have a new game. The people who brought you Pokemon Go now have Pikmin Bloom, which is almost entirely based on your walking. And I'm sure a lot of people won't be playing it because they want to level up fast. I'm already like level 26 and I've only been playing it for like maybe a week and a half. But it's like, okay, get 20,000 more steps. Woo! Woo! Well, it's done. It's done. Man. But I've definitely noticed a difference in the last couple days. Like the first day it was like, ugh. Second day it was like, ugh. Third day it was like, Fourth day I was just like, walk, 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 walk. It's good. It is good. You get used to walking fast in large amounts. I'll tell you what. It is very hard to push a 4-year-old up the hill, especially when the hill is like extra steep. No. It's a, let's give this a try. Here's the Tonkotsu broth. I think you can probably see that. Yeah, it's a Tonkotsu. It's a Tonkotsu. It's not like, oh my god. It's alright. I think the biggest bonus out of that one is the fact that it's got that character on it. If anybody ever can tell me of a good way to center this bowl on top of this platform, let me know. That would be really useful information for me, because I always want to get this thing like nicely centered, and it's very difficult, I must say. But it seems like there's got to be a trick. Here we go. Here's a Hello Kitty head. My daughter is very excited. When we get back from our walk, I'll let her eat this. Too hot right now. I'll just let it sit in the microwave with all the junk on it. She'll be happy. I'm not going to refrigerate it. Come on. Hello Kitty head. Come on. Come on! They don't always like to cooperate. Yeah, it's not like something to write home about, except for the fact, oh, look at them cute heads! Oh! Look at that! Oh! Let's slice you up. We got an extra goopy one here. Yeah, this is pretty goopy. Goopity goopity. I'm gonna leave the chashu out, believe it or not. I would put it in for me, but not for Faye. I don't think she likes the seeds either. Oh, and she doesn't even like the, well, I have to do that. We can remove them. I believe she doesn't like the spring onion because it's green. She's like, ew, that's grand. I don't like it. It's grand. It's like, okay. But surprising, she likes fish cake. I mean, for me, it's like, what's not to like? But I don't know, little kid. I'm sure Japanese little kids like it too. If you're a Japanese little kid, please write in the comments below how much you enjoy fish cake. If you do at all. I really doubt any Japanese little kids are watching my channel. And there we are. Gosh, I really want to put some seeds on there. I do. I'm going to. Look at that. Very simple. Come on, come on, come on. My alarm's about to go off. Come on. Rotato, rotate. Time for me to head out and get everything going on, but yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to get one of these, head on over to zenpop.jp and use that coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. If it's your weekend coming up, have a good weekend and bye.